Let's see the bubbles. I think you just have to put it all the way down there. And then...
Yeah.
Eek! Bubbles! Here, you try. Now, blue. Oh. You want to try again?
Hey, Mark, what's the name of that Indian... Oh, Tandoori Grill. Do they have the dinner buffet?
Oh! Oh! I don't have any idea.
Conducive. It's a little bigger space. Might be better for her. If she wants to run around with it. Are you blowing bubbles? I'm glad.
Oh,
That's so sweet.
that was so sweet for you to thank Julia. You're gonna make me cry, little girl.
Yeah, sure. That's really close, too. That's just right.
Oh. Oh, oh.
So what time did you guys get here?
Oh, about half an hour ago, maybe. Probably less.
Right, isn't she? She's like a whole person.
Woo! Bubbles!
Lots of words.
This is so cool, Pema.
Did you catch any bubbles? Did you catch one?
Here they come, Pema. Woo! Bubbles, bubbles everywhere.
I cast one.
Oh, there's a little bitty
I
one.
catched
Look at
one.
that. Here it goes. Oh, up, 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 and away.
Pema!
Down.
Up, up and away!
Down.
Down and up and down. Whee!